Hey there, welcome back to the Therapist Nomad channel. My name is Daniela and today I'm going to show you a video about the best of Montenegro based on my experience. Hey everyone, this is the Therapist Nomad and today I am with my friends at the National Park of Montenegro. So let me just show you really quickly how things are looking from my viewpoint. The drive from Kotor to Lovsen National Park is about 50 minutes. The road is not exactly straight, it's more like a serpentine. It's very exciting and challenging and also beautiful. You're gonna get the best view of Kotor and Montenegro in general. The national park is a precious place for all the Montenegrin and Balkans just because it is where Petar II Petrovic Njegoš is laid to rest. This was their beloved hero, as he was an important poet and philosopher in the 1800s. Now, getting to his tomb is a whole adventure. You have to go through rocks, mountains, difficult roads, hiking in the snow, and all type of things to get to him, but it's completely worth it. Honestly, I don't think there's public transportation available to take you all the way there, but you can ask the locals. The best idea is to rent a car, park it down in the mountain by the snow, and then take your 461 stairs to his tomb. After paying your respects to the chapel, you're going to be rewarded with an amazing view at the peak of the mountain. Take a look. One of the things that makes Montenegro amazing is that you can go up to the mountains to play with the snow, and in an hour or two you'll be enjoying the beautiful ocean. Our recommendation is that after you visit the national park, you take the opposite route to Kotor, which will take you to Budva. That being said, welcome to Budva's old town. Take a look at this beautiful beach, please. We could not miss having a meal here at the beach, so we ate at a restaurant called Astoria, which is both in the old town of Budva and also Kotor. I recommend this restaurant. The food here is delicious. Just to tell you a little bit about history, Budva is 2,500 years old, which makes it one of the oldest towns on the Adriatic coast. In the 2nd century BC, Budva became part of the Roman Empire. It is said that in the 800s, Budva was sacked by Muslims who devastated the area. Later on, the Venetians ruled the town for about 400 years. And then, with the beginning of World War II, Budva had been annexed to the Kingdom of Italy, and then it was finally liberated from that in 1944, which was when it was incorporated to the Republic of Montenegro. And after that, the country became completely independent in 2006. Since then, Budva has been one of the primary tourist destinations, which actually makes Budva one of the main drivers of Montenegro's economy. I'm sure this video portrays the special beauty that the old town entails. It has museums inside, boutiques, restaurants, cafes, and wonderful things for you to discover. Now, the drive from Budva back to Kotor is only 26 minutes, which is super convenient. I recommend that before you go back to your apartment, you visit Marenda. This is the best steakhouse I tried in Montenegro. The food, drinks, ambience, and service was all a 5 out of 5. I felt like a queen in this restaurant. I loved it. Hey guys.
Hello. Hi.
How would you rate this place so far?
Cheers.
Alex.
We didn't eat it, and the wine is amazing.
Yeah, but on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
8. The wine?
8. Mike.
Hey, 11. The cheese got me already.
Nico.
She's got me. I'm gonna give it a 8.
8. Okay, thank you. Another beautiful experience was visiting Perast. This is at the old town on the Bay of Kotor in Montenegro, and it's situated a few kilometers northwest of Kotor. It's only about like 18 to 20 minutes driving to go to there from Kotor. The town has a beautiful church, and it also has wonderful places to eat. Is nearby some islands that you must visit. We unfortunately couldn't go, but it has the Lady of the Rocks and also other important figures in one of the islands, and it's only like a 10-minute boat drive, and you can stay there for about 30 minutes to an hour in the island, and then they go back and pick you up. The price should be about 5 euros per person. They were charging us 20 euros, so we decided not to go for that reason. We felt scammed, so we didn't feel comfortable doing the trip, but we recommend you do it if you find someone that's not so greedy. Nonetheless, we ate at a restaurant named Conte, and it was the most wonderful food experience. We actually went twice. We could not resist to just go once. I cannot finish this video without giving a big shout out to the best Airbnb host I've ever encountered in my life. We actually stayed in 2 of his apartments. He has a total of 3 in the city of Kotor, but we stayed once in the old town of Kotor, and then the other stay was in a mountain in the same area where he lives, and he made sure that we were happy, that we had everything we wanted and needed. He was extremely accommodating and nice. And besides that, his apartments are beautifully decorated. I felt at home, I felt happy and in complete harmony during my stay. We also got to meet his family, who are wonderful. He has beautiful kids and wife, and he even invited us to have house wine and homemade pizza, which was a super joyful experience. We're super grateful for everything he did for us in Montenegro, and if we ever come back, we're gonna for sure stay with him. And Slobodan, if you are watching this video right now, I just want to say thank you so much for everything that you did for us. We're super happy and we hope to see you again. Alright guys, so this is what I would say was the best of Montenegro. I would come back if I have the opportunity, just because the food, the views, and the people were absolutely amazing. So if you want to go to a Balkan country, this is my recommendation for you. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you next time in the Therapist Nomad channel.